Well, if you've been following the channel, you know I recently made a video about the best EV stock to buy, but I felt that I should follow it up with the worst EV stock to buy, which honestly is easier said than done because there are a lot of terrible EV stocks to buy at the moment after being hammered with poor earnings, weak cash flows, dismal industry growth forecasts, but one to me stands out well above the other in the EV corner of the NASDAQ, and that is, of course, GOEV or Canoo Inc. I really struggle to think of a worse stock right now, particularly in that the CEO just spent twice as much on his private jet as the company made in all of 2023. And yes, I'm talking gross revenue, not even net income, because of course this company has never made any money, despite having sizable contracts with brands like Walmart and even one with the US military. And despite these promising contracts, they have only been able to produce about three actual vehicles to date that were not prototypes. But I think the worst news of all is the cash reserve. Management has recently admitted that they did not have enough cash to last the next 12 months. So that news went over about as well as you would expect. And with a probability of bankruptcy of 85%, they are pretty much completely reliant on their equity to produce any sort of funding, and even that is only sitting at about 178 million right now. So all in all, it makes this a very high risk, high reward bet for any investor holding shares or looking at buying right now. There is a small glimmer of hope for this company, but honestly, the risk to reward proposition is just such a gamble right now because unlike previous years, this is now officially a penny stock. And personally, I would wait to see if, Canoo's even going to survive the next 12 months before looking at it or betting on it. So really, it's Canoo's poor earnings, dismal outlook, and overall lack of cash that make this the worst EV stock to buy right now. And if you want to see my pick for the best EV stock to buy, go see this video that I've put up on the screen right now. Otherwise, don't forget to drop a like, comment if you have any thoughts, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you next video.